Are you going bananas over finding a quick, healthy breakfast recipe? Then this 442 banana smoothie recipe is just for you. Unlike Rahul Bose's experience, this 442 banana smoothie recipe will not at all cost rupees 442. So this special episode of Munch and Mull is dedicated to you, Rahul. So what's 442 about this banana smoothie recipe? Just 4 ingredients, 4 amazing benefits and just 2 minutes to prepare. Here are the 4 ingredients for the 4 bananas, 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, 2 tablespoons of almonds and 2 tablespoons of honey. Vegans can do without the honey, they could use raw cane sugar instead. Here was an unexpected surprise. The weight of these ingredients added up to, guess what? 442 grams. What a sheer coincidence. These nuts have been soaked overnight and here are the soaked nuts. So here we go. In go the groundnuts, the almonds and the honey. And add water as desired. And here's our easy, healthy and yummy 442 banana smoothie recipe ready to be relished. The proportions of the 4 ingredients in the 442 banana smoothie bring with it 4 benefits that adds on and enhances the benefits compared to just the bananas. Bananas are poor in calcium, so presence of these nuts gives you an 84% calcium boost. Total protein content is enhanced by 75%. The nuts also enhance total phosphorus content by 73%. Bananas are high in potassium, but the nuts too add their bit. So that's another 23% increase, totaling to a whopping 1640 milligrams of potassium for you. Now it's time to put on your mulling caps and come up with as many ideas of 442 banana recipes which would be easy and healthy. Leave them in the comment section below.